So my neighbor blessed me with these beautiful ripe garden tomatoes that she grew. And mine are not ready yet, so I'm gonna make some incredible sauce with these babies. You wait until you see. You don't even have to cook it. Yeah. You take the tomato and then you cut this. Be careful not to punch a hole way through your hand. Cut this thing out. And then you just chop it up. This is how I learned to chop it up. I mean, everybody that I know does it this way. Sounds crazy, don't hurt yourself, but look at this tomato, man. Look at it. I mean, it's fantastic. Look at the juice, the pulp, no seeds. It's like sweetness. Just chop it all up like that. Or 3 tomatoes for 4 people. The scissors. Or you can put it in the food processor. And cut them down to smaller pieces. Some people take the peel off, put them in hot water. But I don't know, these tomatoes right from the garden, so good. You want to eat it all. Chop it up as much as you can. Okay. Yeah. We're gonna add some fresh garlic to it and garden pick fresh basil. Yeah, I love this basil. Just when you pick it from the garden right there, so good. Yeah, don't be afraid. And then, of course, extra virgin olive oil. I'd say that's at least I don't know, 2 ounces, somewhere in that ballpark. And then you stir it all up. And then you taste the tomatoes, and according, sometimes tomatoes have salt, you don't need salt, but most of the time you have to put salt in to make the flavor really come out. So now up to the salt, we're going to let this sit at room temperature for at least half hour to 45 minutes. Then after that, you just put it in the frying pan, turn the flame on, you get it just boiling a little bit, and then you throw the pasta in and you mix it up, let it simmer for, I don't know, a couple minutes, a minute or so, and then you eat it. Oh my God, it's so good. Okay, so here's the salt. Nice big pinch, pretty big size. Mix it up, there, yeah. Oh man, my stomach is saying, help me, eat, ooh, right now. Flavor of the garlic and the oil and the basil are gonna blend together, and then the pasta, ooh, mamma mia. Of course, some Romano cheese on top of that after. Yeah, check that out. See that garlic there and the basil? And it's all simmering itself. I already had the pasta cooked, so I put it in there and mix it together. Gas on. Yeah. Put that flame on. Now we're just gonna simmer it for like, because the pasta was cold from the refrigerator. Normally the pasta is hot, it won't take as long. You put the hot pasta right on top of the sauce, you mix it, turn the pan on. Actually you could turn the pan on before they put the pasta in, so the sauce starts warming up when you put the pasta in, and then you mix it together. Yeah. Oh boy, can't wait. So turn down the flame. Simmering the flavor together. And then we'll sprinkle some cheese. A little Romano cheese. Ooh, whatever you got, cheese. The stronger the better. And then mix that baby together like that. Yeah. Ooh, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, I love basil, so put a little more in there. Ooh, yeah. So it's been simmering maybe, I don't know, 2 minutes. Okay, here's the test. A little Pinot Grigio. And then, so you gotta do a trick. You gotta take the spoon and grab some of the juice, the tomato stuff down there. And then, take the pasta, like that. So you roll it with the spoon, with the juice, like that. Then, yeah, wow. Pasta pomodoro crudo. Don't you mistake saying eat the right thing.